Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to share some tools that were sent to me from a company called Cripop. These are some insulated tools that feel really nice in the hand, and they look to be well built. 1000-volt insulated, and the set that came in this nice case that we'll get into in a minute has some side cutters in it. These are 8-inch side cutters, some needle nose, again insulated, 8-inch, and a set of 3 screwdrivers that are 10.5-inch long. They're real narrow and nice, but you've got a Phillips. It's marked on the back side here. A flathead, again same length, 10.5-inch, and then a square head. And again, all of them marked really good here. The handles are nice, grippy, so they're made of a hard plastic here on the yellow parts, but the red part is a little bit softer, and they seem really nice. But you can see that the shaft or the blade of the screwdriver narrows up here near the end. So if you have some small areas that you need to get into, you know, they're going to be good for that. But really nice tools. Let's look at the case here. So it comes in this case that is molded to the tools, which was, you know, I was really surprised to see. So they sit down in there real nice and tight. If you want to store them in this way, but they're marked with their spots and all that type of stuff. And this case is set up where it has a handle, you can carry it around, but they're also set where they will interlock with each other. So Cripop has a number of other different types of tool sets, and you can stack them similar to, you know, perhaps they're trying to go for a look of the pack out type of stackable tool holders. But really nice set. I think that they you know, they of course are not the same quality of, say, a Wera or a Klein or anything like that. I can say that for you know, being really honest. But all in all, they're a nice looking set of tools, and something you might want to, you know, check out if you're in the market for an insulated set of screwdrivers, a needle nose, or side cutters. But Cripop, thanks for sending these across, and they're really nice, so you guys need to check them out. Till next time.